This family loves its first skiing holiday.
It seems we have got lost.
He can't hear because he has his fingers in his ears.
This yacht belongs to a very wealthy businessman.
She is thinking of what to do today.
I think we're going to have a great time camping.
They are having lunch at a cafe.
Nomads don't have houses. They live in tents.
The young girl is smelling the flowers.
Something smells terrible in here.
Jenny is being a bit naughty today.
She is a very patient teacher.
She is tasting the jam.
Lemons taste very sour.
The girls are looking in the mirror.
Jane looks very happy and relaxed.